Spry 1.3 introduces a couple of features that were quite literally years in the making, so I'm going to go through the main two in this video, starting with calculated fields. Calculated fields were first introduced in the beta of Spry in 2013 and allow you to create values in your table based on a formula, so rather than having to import processed reserves or use scripts, you can fill the field with an expression. If you save an error, you can keep an eye on records that are affected because they'll appear red. In the release, calculated fields don't look up or down your table, so expressions will need to only involve the current record, but within a single leaf can be as complicated as you like. In table view, there should no longer be a delay in switching between levels for aggregation, and by default we will update all of your aggregation after you make any change. If you find that the automatic calculation side of things is making you wait too long, which may happen on older computers or with larger databases, you can change the calculation mode from automatic to manual. Once you've got manual mode on, you'll need to keep an eye out for an orange color, which means you need to hit the Calculate Now button to update your results. Recalculate Now is a little different in that it recalculates everything on your table regardless of whether or not it has been detected as changed. The second main feature in this release is data pivot tables. They're essentially the same as scenario pivot tables, but you can run them directly against your data. Previously, to do this, you would have to create a fake scenario and make sure you scheduled every record in the table, which whilst effective required a bit of error-prone setup. Now you just access pivot tables from the regular table view. Just select the fields you want to report against, and then drag and drop like a regular pivot table. A couple of minor points from this release include pivot tables inside your spreadsheets, and therefore support for importing them, a Gantt chart source path usage's right-click menu, and as always, several performance improvements and bug fixes.